not shaking. Make them do their day, we will go there our day. See, make I tell you what they happen here. You see Fubara, now 4 plus 4. Fubara now what team? 4 plus 4. Today as we talk, he has released 2 billion naira to empower small businesses in the state. Today, as we speak, no, River State 2 billion, Bank of Industry 2 billion, that's 4 billion. Today, as we speak, and those people, they have gotten their alert. On their own, they come. More can I don't follow you, don't fear them. Nothing they go fit do. They are expired goat meat. Expired product, as you see them. You get one person where carry something hit person for head. He said, I ain't get this local gun. Making shift come out for road because as we see up, making the shift because I see us here with a provoke. But I just wait for the high tension youth leader where they come. Your chief of staff capacity in the come. He go tell another thing there.
Nobody worry, nobody.
Simplified movement. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nobody worry, nobody. Fire! 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 If you get money, I come on and the movement. Sokari Goodboy, I focus on. I don't feel you sing. Turn on, turn on, turn on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. If you get money, I come on and the movement. Sokari Goodboy, I focus on. I don't feel you sing. Nobody worry Fubara, nobody worry Fubara. Nobody worry Fubara, nobody worry Fubara. Simplified movement! Simplified movement! Rivers first! Rivers first! Rivers first! You gotta make up! Gotta make up! And make up! Let your ma! Having said that, let me thank His Excellency, a governor who is a technocrat, an administrator, one who came prepared for leadership all through his service years, has grown in the ranks of civil service. He has been a teacher, he has been a civil servant, he has taught every sector and is prepared. That is why he is continuing every project of the past administrations, including those that were abandoned and those that were awarded and not paid. Today, Emohua, you are one of the local government that is feeling the impact of democracy. Development is cutting through various wards and community without noise. Don't be so. I want to thank His Excellency, a man who understands governance. Having said that, Emohua people, I want to assure you on behalf of our principal that whether those who support him and those who do not support him, His Excellency will not victimize anybody. Honor, hear me? Politics is over. This is time for governance. And the governor is doing exactly what he knows how to do best. Dishing out the dividends of democracy to all Rivers people across the 23 local government areas of Rivers State. You have gone through almost 19 local governments so far. In Rivers Southeast, we have gone to Kana local government, Gokana local government, Tai local government, and Eleme local government, Andori local government, Oyibo local government. It's remaining the grand finale at Opobo local government, Pobonkoron local government. In Rivers East Senatorial District, we have gone to Obiakpon local government. On Sunday, we are going to Port Harcourt City local government. We have gone to Ikure local government. Today, we are in Emohua local government. We have gone to Ogumoro local government. We have gone to Okreka local government. We have gone to Eche local government. We have gone to Omoma local government. No, so in Rivers West Senatorial District, we have gone to Akukuta local government. We have gone to Boni local government. We have gone to Tegeba local government. Tomorrow we are going to Asariton local government. We have gone to Ahoada-West local government. We have gone to Onega local government. We have gone to Abuauda local government. And next week we are going to Ahoada East local. They wanted war. They wanted bloodshed. They wanted crisis. And the governor, in his peaceful nature and disposition, said, instead of bloodshed, let there be peace. That is why he accepted every agreement, every resolution. Now, weakness be that? He's not a weak man. He's a man of wisdom. They say empty drums make the highest noise. The governor is a man that calculates, an intellectual man, a man of vision. What is interested is the development of River State. Time for election has not come. They know that we know what they know, but they don't know what we know. We know what they know, but they don't know what we. Now, the judiciary being the last hope of the common man, the law has spoken. Has the law not spoken? The law has spoken. We are not afraid. You see, freedom comes with a price. But let me tell you something. Governor Siminalayi Fubara, the highest quality he has is the quality of patience. Melembe. Simplified movement.
Reverse first.
Simplified movement.
Reverse first.
Reverse first.
Simplified movement.
Reverse first.
Simplified movement.
I want to thank the authentic leadership of this local government. When they ask you which party do you belong to, tell them you belong to Sim party. Sim. Everywhere Sim day now day. He will never abandon his supporters. It is better for you to take risk for a man who will never abandon you than a man who will use you and dump you. Who will use you? Who will use you?
He haven't agree.
You know why we are here? I heard the other day, somebody said, if we are human beings, if we have the gods, let us come to Emohua local. No be here with they. No be here they do election campaign. No be here they do politics. Since 1999, no be so. Anything happen, one with God is majority. And those who stand with Fubara are the majority. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you. Please permit me to lean on the existing protocol. I want to tell you just one thing. Seeing the crowd I see here today, I know that Emohua is 101% simplified. The only thing you need is the dividends of democracy. I will go back and tell the governor that he should bring more things to Emohua. Emohua people have spoken in one voice. Today, I know some people blocked road. Some people use people to block so that you will not come. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame.
To render an older model obsolete, we must create something better. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State has distinguished himself and have shown that he is better than the previous administration. And that is why the 10th Legislative Assembly, headed by the authentic members of the Rivers State Assembly, the famous three, will continue to support His Excellency. Now let me say this very clearly. The era use of intimidation and harassment has ended. That was in the medieval era. We are now operating on AI governance and AI politics. Let them in Abuja continue to remain in the medieval era. We will show them come 2027, and Rivers people will speak in their loudest voice, and we will all know who is in charge of Rivers State. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
This is the first time I'm speaking publicly, and I want Rivers people to listen to me. Why I left GDI for Simplified movement? Simple. It won't take me time. Ijaw people have supported the Ikwere people for 16 years. This is the time for Ikwere people to support Ijaw governor. I also want to inform us that here in Emohua local government, if Emohua people do not support this present administration, how would Emohua Kalabari Road be completed? How would Emohua Obakiri Road be completed? And other numerous projects cited here in Emohua local government. I want to advise my Ikwere brothers, don't be intimidated. Don't be panicked by RIT police from Abuja. Don't look any face. Don't be afraid. Don't be intimidated. He just supported Ikwere 16 years. It is the duty of Ikwere man to support Ijaw for the next 8 years. You gotta make count.